Nakal amaromda kotugi memorandum adu pisinkhibagidamag Kuki zogi miyapna Khongchat amasu chatke Khongchat adu kangpokpida laiba nut kailhang women work market age Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipkengi yum phawba chatuna memorandum adu pisinkhibane Khongchat aduga mari leinana kotugi wangangloi NJ Lun Kipgen hai Lengakna laukhalakliba khongthangsing asi tapjarabasu Kangpokpi district ki miyapna mating pangduna amade sawatuna lakpane adubu tha asigi taramathoi leimakhongda thokiba thodog amade haukiba June 13 da gamgi faida thokiba thodog ado Kuki jo miyapna khangba ngamlaktabagi mamine Kuki jo furup khaktada target tawduna awaba tahanbagi thogong singasi makhatana chatharoidabane asukuina Kuki jogi miyapna awaba kaya khangduna lakpada lengakna usinadraba kanto sabalda thokiba thodog maram oiraga Security Force amade state lengakna ka hinba thawong kaya chatharakli basi michang mikhai naiba thawong ni amade miyamna yaba ngamloi Security Force na fajan kiba Kuki jogi luchingba ahum adugi matu nama sokpa yaroi amade adhuba matamda condition amata yaudana thadorakadabani haina so mahakna makhatana phongdorakle
Current government is besieged to immediately release 3 of our leaders, and it is also appealed to the tactical team of CRPF not to intimidate a leader, and especially raiding of the house of Pu Domilal Haukip, who incidentally was not at his home. And it is also important that the security forces should follow the norms. How is it possible that Cobra could raid an individual's house without the presence of the police of the district? Kuki people who have been very lenient, and it's high time even the government as well as the state take a concrete step to douse this situation instead of exacerbating the problem by appeasing Kachanaga communities.